Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check friend request on the Cookie Run Kingdom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading, but just stay in it and be patient. New, just touch the screen and wait again. New, that's my cookie farm, and new, click to the person icon next to the diamond at the upper right corner of the screen. Here, go to the second button, the friends, and click to the add button at the lower side of the screen, and you can find different person and you can add to your friends list. For example, just click to the add button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.